and welcome back to tazwells12. You're on my YouTube channel, which is tazwells12, and I am the host who is Tara. Today's video is going to be a B&M haul. The goodies are all here. This is a really good haul because I actually got some bargains that were at reduced price, which I did not think I was going to see. Really surprised my own self. But before we get into the video, I just want to say the nitty gritty stuff first, which is if you like the video, the products, the advice, anything in this video, then let me know by giving it a massive thumbs up, because it tells me that you want to see more, what you like, other people will like it, and the video will go around. So definitely give it that massive thumbs up. Come and subscribe to tazwells12 by hitting the subscribe button on my main page. That will then subscribe you to tazwells12 YouTube journey and my little love family, and also hit the bell notification because that will notify you when I've done a new video and you can see it there and then. Comment down below on anything on the video, so say if you liked an item or you want to give me feedback, then definitely comment down below because that will always help me, and I will 100% like your comment and comment back to you every single time. The video is not sponsored by any of the brands I do mention. This is just out of my own money, what I saw in B&M, what I wanted to get. Yeah, it's not sponsored by anyone. Check out my social media, which is 2 on Instagram, which is tazwells12 and tazwells12 home. Check, like, follow, comment, whatever you like to do, please, that'd be great. Now we will get into the B&M haul video. Just a quick little note before I start the video, I have got my receipt here, so I will tell you everything of the exact price, and also it's good to let you know what I kind of got as a bargain too. So this is all what will be priced as. These are one of my regular things that I either get from Poundland, B&M or Home Bargains, and it is a foot pack. It's got to be a foot pack or a face pack, and this one is from Skintechiques and it's the lemon and mint one foot pack, which is repairing and revitalizing foot mask using nature's goodness. It's one pair of booties, which is literally like 20 minutes, and it's a refreshing foot pack. I use these every so often. My feet get really dry. I know you don't need to know that, but they do. And then the alternative way, I will use a foot pill. If you never use a foot pill, I will get them out of B&M or Home Bargains, or now I'll get them out of Savers, but they are literally £1 as well, which of these are the same. But I got 2 of these because I really like this like lemon and mint one. It smells like really nice, keeps your foot like nice and fresh and moisturized, and honestly it gives your like skin a good sort of relift or revitalize, like it says, like life back into it. £1, I'm happy to like pay these because they do make a massive difference to my skin. I've been waiting for a little while if I want to buy this again, and I've kind of gone back to it because I tried something else like a bit cheaper and it was just rubbish on my hair. Don't know where I got it from. It might have been Home Bargains or B&M haul again, and I bought a dry shampoo and it just didn't go on my hair. I literally had to just chuck it because it just wasn't working. It was making my hair more greasier. I had a couple of these cans before that I'm going to show you the make, and they work really well in my hair. I seem to go to it every single time. I'm not washing my hair as much, so it's really good for me in a way. But also the brand is really expensive. I thought, you know what, I need another new one. I'm start to run out of my older cans, so I did end up like giving in and buying the Batiste dry shampoo, which I think is really good for my hair. Some people say they don't like it, some people say they do, but I kind of like it. It does dry my hair out. I'm not fussed if I use the brunette one or I use the normal dry shampoo, which kind of leaves some like white residue in your hair. But if your hair is feeling greasy, I would just like brush it out and you can't see it pretty much. I went to the Batiste, and this is the Instant Hair Refresh dry shampoo, and I got the blush one. I haven't tried this one. So this is Flirty Floral, refreshes hair without drying out, and there's 280 ml in here. This will last me for a good while, to be honest. And this was at the price of £2.99, which is quite expensive. So I have the cans, but I think this is bigger than the cans I've already got, so to be fair, I won't go through this very quickly. So for £2.99 for this can, it will last me a good few months, like probably 6, 7, 8 months. I think £2.99 for it is a little bit expensive, but it does it for my hair, and it will sort of even its money worth out over the month. My regular thing I buy is popcorn. So we really like these little packets because they're nice to have like with a film. I bought like a little popcorn box from like a little nice shop in Southampton, and it's really good. It's really handy and holds a lot of this, so we can have like 2 packets of these. They're really worth it. So they're only 29p. I did think they were on offer for like 4 for £1, but I've obviously read it wrong. You've got to have the same flavour. So I went for 3 sweet, which is from Popstar microwave popcorn. These are sweet ones. And then I got 1 salted because I thought, well, I could mix the sweet and the salted together because they didn't have a sweet and a salted. Thought, you know what, I'll just get one of like sort of each. We go through mostly the sweet, so I got a few more of them, but they're literally 29p. I don't mind paying a bit over £1 for them because we will put them in our cupboard and we will use them from like time to time. To be fair, we will use these, and I don't think they're like a lot of calories. We add a little bit more sugar, but still really good and a nice little treat when you're watching a home movie. I bought this item a while ago and I really loved it. I don't know what it is about it, but I think they're really nice, and I've used like the whole packet, and that's really unlike me for this item. There's another skin care item, and it's these. I don't know if I've done a review on these for you already, but I can do if you want. I really like these. These are from Skintechiques. They're the Hydro Gel Eye Mask Brightening Vitamin C. So vitamin C is like sunshine, your orange juice, if that makes sense. So vitamin C is really good for you, and it's what gives you that sort of breath of fresh air, if that makes sense. So you can get like face masks and stuff like this, but these are like the eye patches which just go under there, and if you feel like you've got bags or it's getting a bit stuffy under there, these are really good. They're nourishing vitamin C, moisturizing, brightening, revitalized eyes, and there's 3 pairs in there, and literally these are only £1. And I've tried these ones and they're really nice, but if you want me to review these, I definitely can, because I rate these like off the scale. These ones are the best ones I've had. I just bought some tea lights, as boring as they can be, but we use them in our house so much. So I've got like a wax melt pretty much in most rooms or bathrooms, like in the house. I have them all over the place. I will set them up on a Saturday, let them burn for a while, and some candles, and change the reed diffusers, so the house is like smelling nice again for that day or like for the week ahead. I suppose you could do it a couple of times, so I would then every time put a new candle in, tea light candle, and it will burn for a good like couple of hours, so it'll make the room smell really nice. I did see like they had 70 tea lights for like £3, which, yes, it is a lot of money, but these you won't go through that much. I brought a load from Asda, and I'm just sort of getting to the last probably like 20, so I thought, you know what, just get another bag, because it's always worth having them, because I don't want to get to that Saturday where I can't light my wax melts or anything like that. I need this in my life. £3, I just grabbed it. Now we're getting on to like the good items. So this is the items that I found that were at reduced price, that I was like, well, actually I kind of do like you and I'm going to take you. First one is like a bedding. We didn't really need any more bedding, but it's for this bedroom. It's just here. And when I looked at it, I was like, actually, I don't normally go for reduced bedding because it's normally like all the ugly ones, but this one actually looked really decent, and I cannot wait to put it on the bed. It's going to look fab. So this is called a Magnolia Tuft King Mink sort of duvet set, and it looks like this. So you can see where it's all like ruffled, and it's a nice sort of like creamy, not like, it's like beigey sort of colour, but it's not like white. I don't like anything that's really white. It's like that off-white, which is nice. This is a king size for this bed. It's from Homestead. It's a Magnolia Tuft leaves, so it's like a leaf design. I'll bring it closer in a moment. Duvet set, so you have the duvet cover in there and a pillow set. And why it's such a bargain was it was £28 originally, as it says there. Then it went to 20, and then I only paid 14, and I thought it was really nice. So that's actually the design at the bottom. So it's like a nice like leaf design. You can see how beautiful that's going to look on the bed. So for £14, I really liked it, and this is like the ruffled design. The fit bit here feels really thin, but we kind of need a thin one coming into like more summertime or warmer like days or evenings. Actually, it's going to work really well. We've got quite a few duvets for this bed, but you know what, another one that's going to look really, really nice. So I cannot wait to take this out of its packet, and this was such a bargain, and it was so good that my mum picked one of these up as well, because she really liked it and thought, actually, I'll go for that too. The last and final item, I did not think I was going to see this, but it was like totally up my street, and I'll explain the little story. So we're kind of looking around in the care sort of section, and then I saw this, and the price tag was £4, which is so funny, because I was like, surely this is from Christmas. So it's been in there a while, and obviously no one's bought it, and you can't really see what the colours are on the palette because it shows you a little demonstration here, but you can obviously see there is quite a few nice colours. I'm going to open it in a minute so you can see it like proper up. And like I said, it was only £4, so my mum got a little scanner on her phone that you can for B&M, checked it, and it was definitely £4. So this is from Revolution that they did with the Friends, and it's like got this like lobster on it. So it's an eyeshadow palette, and there's quite a few shades in there. There is 21 shades in there, so it's quite a big palette, which is quite nice. And £4, I thought, you know what, I'm gonna definitely take that. So I will open it up now and show you what the palette looks like. This is the front of the palette, which I will actually do a testing tutorial makeup video with you, do a little look with it. There's quite a nice selections of colours in there. So that's what the palette looks like. It's just a cardboard palette, which is actually proper nice because it's quite lightweight. If you ever want to take it away or something, it's not really heavy. There's the Lobster Palette, and then inside they are the colours. So there you go, that's the like a little mirror. They get quite a decent mirror, and these are the colours. There's some shimmers in there, there's some reds, there's some browns, there's quite a good mixture. There's like a purple, a bit of a pink, there's some good like really good sort of neutral colours in there too. And I was really impressed with this one for £4. Like, I looked on it online, and it's called basically the Friends like Revolution like Lobster Palette. Beauty Baby, I've got this on at the moment for £10. It was originally £20. I don't know what B&M were doing it for, but it's originally £20, and Beauty Bay, I've got it for 10. And if you do like it, then maybe try and pop down to your B&M and have a look, because they might have some different stuff they had left over from Christmas. But for £4, it's such a bargain. It's like a coffee cup, and that's a Friends one as well. They had quite a lot of Friends stuff, which I'm quite surprised at. I don't know if it's the colour story that someone didn't like, or maybe the palette, but Christ, do you know what I mean? Like, even if you got this for a gift for like £4, it's really good. There's one in there that's like a coffee cup shape, and it's a face palette, and it shows you again on the back like what the colours are. So the pans are a lot bigger, all like browns. So I said to my mum, it doesn't really matter if it's a face palette or an eyeshadow palette, it'll still work on your eyes, like it'll still work the same as like an eyeshadow palette. So I said, actually, that one's a bit better. She was going to go for a different one that was a bit more pricey, like £6. Such a good one, because it had quite a few colours in it. But there was colours in there she just wouldn't have used. So I said, go for that one. And that's £4. And literally, that'll be more your thing. So we got home, opened it up, and it's beautiful. It's like your proper natural colour. It's got like probably 6 shades in there that are like neutral matte colours, and then you've got like some shimmers at the top that are, I guess, highlighters and contour. So you could use it a bit of both, eye, contour. Good little palette. And basically that, she got that for £4. Beauty Bay have still got it on there for £20. So there you go. Like, again, something that we weren't looking for again, but really happy that we got both of the palettes, and such a bargain for. Unfortunately, we have come to the end of the B&M haul video. There were some good little items there again. I've got some good little bargains I showed you. Definitely have a look around in different each section, because you kind of find them like surprisingly stuff. Like, I did not think I was going to buy a duvet set or a makeup palette like for cheaper than what is definitely any other wear, but I did. Got some like home stuff, some skincare, like yeah. B&M is really good, and loads of people know that. Like, it's always on Instagram or Facebook or something like that. So have a little look around your aisle. That's my tip of the day. As I said, we have unfortunately come to the end of the video, but if you did like the items I did get or any of the advice I did give you, then definitely give a thumbs up, because it's welcomed, and also it makes me know what you kind of want to see, what you like, and what other people will want to see too. So definitely give that thumbs up. Come and subscribe to tazwells12 by hitting the subscribe button and the bell notification to tell you when a new video is coming up, and you are more than welcome to join the Little Love family. Down below, if you like anything on the video or feedback, I will 100% comment back to you and like your comment every single time. The video is not sponsored by any of the brands I did mention. This is just out of my own money, what I found as a bargain, what I kind of wanted for that day or on that shopping trip. Yeah, it's not sponsored by any of the brands that I do mention. Check out my other two social medias on Instagram, tazwells12 and tazwells12 home. Check, like, follow, comment, whatever you like to do, please, that'd be great. This has come to the end of the video. Thank you for watching and supporting like you do as always. I've seen that another couple of you have joined, and a lot more of you can definitely join, and it would be more appreciated. I hope you've enjoyed the video and what I spoke about and the advice. Have a lovely day or lovely evening or whatever you're doing, and I'll see you soon, guys.